say the axe forgets, but the tree remembers. The axe forgets every strike it makes, but the tree remembers every scar it takes. You walk away like nothing was done, but the pain still lives when the day is gone. You laugh in power, you sleep in peace, while another man's wounds never cease. You say move on, that was yesterday, but the marks don't fade that easy away. You can change your name, you can change your face, but you can't erase every broken place. The axe forgets, but the tree remembers. Every blow, every storm, every cold December. You may move on like it was nothing at all, but the tree remembers the rise and the fall. They took the land, they took the pride, then told the children don't ask why. They rewrote books, they changed the truth, left generations bleeding in silence and youth. You can't steal a man's history, then preach peace like it's a mystery. You can't cause pain in a borrowed suit, then blame the anger on the roots. Time don't heal what's never faced. Justice delayed is justice erased. To say forgive and just forget, but some wounds are still not made. The axe forgets, but the tree remembers. Every lie whispered under pressure. You are free with your clean and raised, but the tree remembers the price it paid. Who remembers the tears at night? Who remembers the stolen light? You feel it starts with truth and pain. Why are we scared to say them names? This is not hatred, this is the cry for truth to finally see the sky. No revenge, no burning fire, just dignity and due require. Because a tree can bend and stand, but it goes slow when hurt by rain. And every forest knows this soon. You eat tomorrow what you do. The axe forgets, but the tree remembers. From the first cut to the final ember. If you want peace in the days to come, listen to the tree, not the axe that's strong. Yeah, history lives in the roots, and roots don't die. Yeah, they say the axe forgets, but the tree remembers. The axe forgets every strike it makes, but the tree remembers every scar it takes. You walk away like nothing was done, but the pain still lives when the day is gone. You laugh in power, you sleep in peace, while another man's wounds never cease. You say move on, that was yesterday, but the marks don't fade. tree remembers the rise and the fall. They took the land, they took the pride, then told the children, don't ask why. They rewrote books, they changed the truth, left generations bleeding in silence and youth. You can't steal a man's history, then preach peace like it's a mystery. You can't cause pain in a borrowed suit, then blame the anger on the roots. Time no heal what's never faced. Justice delayed is justice erased. You say forgive and just forget, but some wounds are still not there. The axe forget, but the tree remembers every lie whispered under pressure. You are free with your clean hands raised, but the tree remembers the price it paid. Who remembers the tears at night? Who remembers the story